welcome back to my channel. It's me again. So in today's video, I'm gonna be doing a FOXY cat eye with a twist. I actually got the inspo from a YouTuber named Maddie Bernard. I love her. I love her Instagram. I love her YouTube. She did this like Bella Hadid inspired like eyeliner. It kind of like goes up here and then it goes back into your crease. So I'm gonna be doing that with like a little twist. So if you want to see how to get from this to this, then keep on watching. So I already have all my skincare products on. Let me move you guys a little closer. I already have my skincare products on. So I'm just gonna start with my base. I'm gonna use the Poreless primer from e.l.f. Today I want more of a glowy look. My other foundations kind of give me like a dry skin look. So I'm gonna go in with my NARS All Day Luminous Weightless Foundation. And this is gonna be a little dark for me, so I'm just gonna lighten it up with concealer and then see how that goes. And it's with a pump. I haven't used this in a while actually. So let's see. To bronze up my face, I'm gonna be going in with the Fenty Matchstick, the Mocha color. I've been loving this. I just kind of use like a brush. Now I'm gonna be going in with a cream blush, the ColourPop one. If you guys have a good recommendation for a good blush, let me know, because this is the only one I've been using, like a good cream blush. I just love how it looks. It's my favorite. And for concealer, I'm going to be using my NARS Creamy Concealer in Custard. And since we're going to be doing a cat eye look, we're going to bring up our concealer like this. And just highlight the areas that we want to look really lifted. And we can just put a couple right here, but mostly on the ends. You see how instantly your eye just looks so like lifted? Just love it. And then I'm gonna take a little bit of my Shape Tape, and then for my eyebrows, I'm just gonna be taking a brown eyeshadow with a small pencil brush, or with a small angled brush. This is the Jeffree one. And then I'm just gonna lightly do some strokes on my eyebrows so they look natural. So that's my eyebrows. I'm just gonna clean them up just a tiny bit. And now I'm just gonna set it a little bit where we put the concealer. I'm just gonna be using my Kat Von D translucent powder. I'm just gonna slightly contour my nose with the Kylie Almond bronzer. And I have this Morphe brush. It's just like straight. I think now we can move on to the look, the eye look. I'm just gonna use a little bit from my Conspiracy palette, just a little bit of these two, and just blend them all over my eye just to give them a little bit of color. What I'm gonna start with first is a black eyeshadow, and I'm just gonna make a line not too long, just probably up to like there. with black eyeshadow, black or dark brown, and then I'll go in with a liquid liner. For this part, we're gonna want to bring it into the crease a little. So you just want to look straight and just find your perfect shape. I just lined my eyelids a little. Now I'm gonna go in and put the line in the crease. So that's how it looks right now. It just kind of like perfectly molds into your crease. So I'm thinking I like how it looks with just eyeshadow. So we'll see. I'm gonna do the other eye and then see if I want to do eyeliner or just keep it as eyeshadow. So that's both of the eyes done. This one's not perfect, but I'm gonna go in and then just build up the eyeshadow, and then as you're building it up, just smoke out the line so it's not like super harsh. You know what I mean? So now I'm gonna go in and put in my inner corner, but I'm gonna wipe away the little bit of bake I have. So now it looks like this. I'm thinking I want to do just a little bit of black eyeliner. So I'm just taking the Kat Von D tattoo liner. So now I lined it with eyeliner. I'm just gonna go in with eyeshadow and smoke it out. So that's the top, and now for the bottom, I'm thinking I want to take a line under it, like have like a line parallel to it. So I'm gonna try it out some eyeshadow and see how it looks. Just kind of like that. So that's kind of how it looks. I think I'm pretty happy with how it looks. So I'm just gonna I'm not happy with how this looks. I'm gonna fix that. So that's the eyes. Now I'm gonna be putting on some highlight, and then I'll put some lashes on the outer corner. As always, my Anastasia in Razy. I'm just gonna set my face with the Morphe setting spray. I'm just gonna do my lips and eyebrows, and then I'll do my lashes. So I'm gonna do the KKW 1.5 lip liner. And the Anastasia lipstick in Honey. Just like that. For my eyebrows, I'm taking the Maybelline Brow Fast Sculpt. It's just like a brown gel. So I'm gonna do one coat of my Lash Sensational mascara, and then just small little lashes on the outer corner. I just have some old lashes right here. Not these, the top ones. I think they're demi-wispies. I'm just gonna cut them and then use the outer corner. So I just put the lashes on. They're just like really natural looking. There's some eyeshadow on them, so ignore that, but they just kind of bring the eyes out a little. I'm just gonna put some mascara on the bottom. So that is the finished look, you guys. I love how this turned out. I feel like a different person. I don't know why. I don't know why I never did this inner corner eyeliner situation before, but I love how it looks. I literally feel like it made my eyes 10 times bigger. But that's the video. I hope you guys enjoyed this Maddie Bernard, Bella Hadid, cat eye, fox eye tutorial, whatever you want to call it. It has like so many names, but I really enjoyed making it. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe, comment, all that. Share this video to your friends. And yeah, thanks for watching, you guys. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!